Now see another great question. Set A contains set of all real numbers. What are real numbers? Which you can count the number on the number of lines, like this one. -5, -4, -3, like that, up to 0, 1, 2, 3, like that, which you can count on the number of lines. Relation defines, and what the relation defines that a comma b and b equals to a की power of k. K is a sum integer. It means to say that if a related to b, then it means that a, then you should write in place of b a की power of k. This means the relation. Okay. Now check. R is an equivalence relation. For R as an equivalence relation, so what need to be checked? Reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So for reflexive, what are the reflexive means? All diagonal elements. Means 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Here it says the real numbers. Like that. Okay. So you can write a comma a की power of k. So in place of a 1 की power 1, you can write yes. 2 की power 1, yes, you can write like that. It is reflexive. Okay. Now check symmetric. How you can check symmetric? Symmetric. Suppose now you see that 2 pair is possible, 2, 4 is possible, 2, 8 is possible. If suppose 2, 4 is present in a relation, so 4, 2 is present according to the relation definition. You can write 2, 4, 2 की power of 2, but you can't write this. You can't write 4, you can't write 2 as 2 की power of k. What relation defines? A, a की power of k. You can write 4 by using 2. No. So it should not shows symmetric condition. So symmetric false. So it is also false. Now check what is partial order. What is partial order? Partial order defines relation should be reflexive, anti-symmetric and transitive. We already seen that reflexive. Okay. And what is anti-symmetric? I already told you, if 1 x related to y, then y related to x should be there. But for anti-symmetric, symmetric ordered pair elements should not be present in a relation. So if 2, 4 is there, so 4, 2 should not be there. It also shows that my condition I already checked for a previous equivalence relation that it is not symmetric. So it is anti-symmetric. Okay. Now we have to check transitivity. See how you can check transitivity. Let's suppose this is a definition via relation given this definition. Transitivity, if 2, 4 and 4, 16. So 2, 16 you can write by this form. Yes, it is possible. A, B, B, C. So what is A, C? Means 4 can be written 2 square. It satisfies this definition. 4 power 2. This satisfies. And A by A, C. 2 and 16. So 2 की power 4. This definition satisfies this also. So it is transitive also. So R is partial order. Okay, fine. Now let's check C option. For C option, we want to say that R is reflexive. Yes. Symmetric? No. false. R is total order. What is total order means? Total order means every ordered pair is being compared. See, from the definition we can write any pair ordered pairs 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 8. Like this you can define, but you can't define this. You can't compare this because our definition by relation is seen by in this form. So we have to satisfy this, but these elements are not satisfied this relation definition. So it is not also total order.